Whoa. Hello. It's wood! Okay, hey, we're doing lots of technology modding again. We're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna be doing choices. There's a function called choice. And choice, I think, would be a really good thing to learn for variables. Variables are really neat too in lots of technology. There's two different types of variables that are really important. That is numerical variables, and the second is called character variables. Now, why I call the second one character variables? Character variables are a bit weird. They're basically like strings, and they just refer to a lot of stuff. I'll explain more of that later. Today we're going to be focusing on numerical variables, which numerical variables are pretty easy. I mean, it's just a number. You assign a variable a number, and you can keep that variable and use it like later on in code and do fun things with it. So we're going to do choice. Choice is fun for numerical characters, variables, because you get to choose the value of the numerical variable. So we're going to make a new event. We can even throw it within, like, our opening or something. Let me also fix this. Can't be bothered to watch the opening. Okay. We'll throw it in the can't be bothered to watch the opening. It'd be kind of weird to throw it there, but I just want to show you how it works. I'm going to be referencing some Lost Technology code in the random system. Now, the random system is an official random, and then it'll be rand system. I'm going to go in here, and at line, like... Here, hold on. I'll find the first one. In line 529, there's this choice function. It has choice total power. Total power is the numerical variable. It has stuff out here. We're going to copy this. Copy. I'm going to paste it over here. There should also be a title, I think. Title? Maybe not. Okay. Wait, let me find that choice again. Oh wait, no, that's just saying message. Okay, it's fine. I don't know. Don't worry about it. It's alright. Let's ignore it. We'll have choice 1. And I'm gonna copy, paste that, choice 2. And let's go all the way to like choice 3 or 4. Let's do choice all the way to 3, or all the way to 4, sorry. All the way to 4. We don't need any more choices than that. Okay. Now, this is kind of cool, because we pick one of these, and it's going to set total power to that. Choice 1 is actually going to be a value of 0. So if we pick choice 1, it'll make total power equals 0. I'm going to change this this variable name. We're actually going to call it, like, Baldur choice. Okay. If Baldur choice equals 0, then we'll get, like, I don't know, talk. Well, actually, let's not do conditional statements just yet. I think we can do without this for a second. I'm gonna do something a little bit more interesting with variables. We're gonna have Baldur talk. And you can be like, oh, you picked choice. I'm gonna do at, and I'm gonna do Baldur's choice within that at. Now you may be wondering, like, what is that? What are you doing there? What is that? I have never seen that before. I'm like, it's simple. The at, anything within the at, it will basically be like, oh, this is a variable. Okay, you want me to get what's inside the variable and put it out and print it out. Yeah, that's what it's doing. You pick choice that. Now, like I said earlier, if we pick choice 1, it'll make Baldur's choice equals 0. So if we pick choice 1, it should actually say you pick choice 0. That's what it's supposed to do. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and test that. Full screen. We're going to go to modding tutorials, because that's what we've been using. Also, I apologize if the last 2 tutorials have been kind of rough. I don't know how much editing I'm going to do to it. I kind of wanted these to be a little bit low effort, mainly because it's easy. I'm lazy. And there's not a lot of other tutorials online on YouTube. I think doing it a little bit raw And having people like, okay, I have no idea what the heck I'm doing, just talk about lost technology. Later on, I'll probably do some more focused tutorials and more like focused topics, but right now I'm just like spewing knowledge. And if you pick on some stuff and be like, oh, that's kind of cool, I want to learn more about that, just say something in the comments and be like, hey, can you talk more about this? I want to know more about this, I need help. And I would love to do that. And right now I'm just kind of doing a general overview. If you pick up on some stuff, that's cool. I think you should have the knowledge to be able to go look in the code and find some stuff yourself. I will also be linking the website I reference a lot, which is, hold on, this thing. Oh, I can't show it right now because I'm full screen. Okay, I'll worry about that later. Have you bothered to watch the opening? Look, we have a selection window. We have choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4. If I click choice 1, you pick choice 0. Remember? See? Choice 0. Now if I go back, and I go to Baldur again. Oh my gosh, here we go. Yeah, Baldur. Don't watch the opening. Pick choice 4, what do you think will pop up? 3, 2, 1. If you said choice 3, you're correct. So you're like, oh, okay, that's dumb. I don't like that. I want it to be like lined up with the choice I pick. That's fair, I understand. That's very reasonable. Let's go fix that. So I'm going to reference the website I was talking about. Yippee, this website. I'll link it in the YouTube page. If not, if it's not linked in the description, I'll put it in like the comments or something. We're going to scroll all the way down to, I think down here. Where is it? Yes, here. You'll see function assignment to variable. We're going to have a look at that. It's all in Japanese. I'm using Google Translate to translate it. What we want to look for is like an add. We want to add to our variable. Yeah, you see this? Add. Yeah, adds 1 to 1 IDX. Yeah, we're just going to copy this. Copy. We're going to go to our text. What we want to do is we want the number we pick to actually line up with what the variable's printed. So we're going to actually add to our variable. I'm going to copy this. And basically it's going to add to our Baldur choice by 1. It's going to increment it by 1. Okay? I'm pretty sure you can also use negative values in there too, to do like a subtract. I think there is also a function called sub. I think it's called sub. I could be completely wrong. Actually, we can look right now if we want to, just so I'm not like crazy, right? Am I crazy? I could be. Where's the control F? I don't know. Sub? Hold on. Yeah, sub. Hold on, let me, oh my gosh, okay. Sub. Oh, no, yeah, here it is, sub, okay. Yeah, subtract. So you can actually, I'm pretty sure you can use negative. I actually could be wrong, you may not be able to use negative since there is a sub. But there's also multiply, divide, modulo, percent, and set. So you have all of these right here, arguments for your variables. We're not going to worry about them right now, we're just going to worry about add. So what this should do is it should actually add 1 to our choice. So if we pick choice 0, or choice 1 technically, which is actually the value 0, it'll add 1 and be like, oh, you picked choice 1. Let's go ahead and save first, and then test that. Play. We're going to go full screen. Then we're going to go to modding tutorials. Go to normal game. Prologue. We're gonna go to our Baldur guy. Be like, no, I don't want to watch the opening. And we got this choice thing, and we're gonna pick choice 3, or let's do choice 2 this time. You pick choice 2, so look, it's correct now. I'll go ahead and pick choice 1 again, just to show. I'm sure you got it through your head, but just want to make sure my thing is actually working. I always test things like 2 times, typically. Be like, okay, does it actually work? So if it doesn't actually work, then what's the point? You pick choice 1. Okay, cool. So it is actually working. Now let's do some if statements. Okay. So we're gonna go down here and be like if. We're gonna be like if Baldur choice. We're gonna do equals 1. It'll do something. And we'll be like message. Yippee. We'll go ahead and copy this like a couple times. Bam, bam, bam. For all the different choices. So you got choice 2, choice 3, choice 4. Be like, no for choice 2. Baldor is cool. Choice 3. Then I miss my wife. For choice 4. 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay. Cool. And we actually could do something even dumber. You want to do something dumber? I think we'll do something dumber. We're gonna throw this into a loop. You might be thinking like, what? What's that? A loop? I've never heard of a loop. I'm sure surely you have heard of a loop. You touched any programming. Or even like, I don't know. If you don't know what a loop is, it's okay. I'll explain it. We have a while here. This is a while loop. And while loops are kind of cool. What they basically do is they will do something forever until the condition is false. Which is kind of cool. We also have something called continue and break. You could use these within a while. We're not probably going to mess with it too much at the moment. Really what we're going to do is mess with just putting a while on and just testing it. So right here, we're going to do a while loop. We could even, well, how about we use a break? No, actually, let's not. That's bad program. Never mind. I don't want to teach you to be bad programmers like I am. We'll do it. We'll be a good boy. I'm going to throw this all, copy, and put it within this while. I'm going to indent it. I don't think indentation matters too much in Lost Technology. I think you can indent it how you like. It's not as picky as like Python or some weird indent language. It'd be fine. We're going to make this if Baldur choice. I don't know. What would be kind of funny? Does not equal. We can do does not equal as like exclamation equals 5. Like what? Okay, that just means it's gonna go forever, right? Well, if we wanted to, we could do another we could do another add Baldur choice to well no, okay, let's be a little bit cooler about this. Let's do set. This is weird. Oh shoot, no, not select. Set. I apologize. Set. So if you remember, this is something in here. If we can find variables. Variables are over here, yeah. There's actually a set thing, so we're going to set the variable to 5. So if you pick 3, you'll get Baldur is cool, and then it'll set Baldur choice to 5. And that should allow us to exit the loop. Of course, why would you ever do this? This is stupid. I'm just showing you this as a proof of concept that you can do this. After this, we'll try out the continue and the break. And the continue and break are kind of cool. Okay, now what we'll do is actually try it. Oh, let me save first. Hold on. Save would. Let's try up your dumb thing. Oh well, Soul's playing Marble on streams. That's crazy. I love marbles on streams, man. I should play marbles on stream. No. We'll go to modding tutorials. Oh shoot! I need to do full screen. I'm a dummy. Yes, confirm. Sorry, I'm just faffing about again like usual. It's okay. Full screen. Modding tutorials. Okay. Normal. Prologue. Gonna go play as Baldur. Yeah. Okay. No. So now, what happens if we choose for choice 1? You pick choice 1. Yippee! We pick choice 2. Choose choice 2. No. You see that we're in a loop now. Choice 4. Pick choice 4. I miss my wife. We'll be in this loop forever until we pick choice 3. With choice 3, you pick choice 3. Baldur is cool. No, now we're no longer in a loop because it got set to 5. Now, another thing that can happen if you wanted to be a bad programmer. This is actually what I was going to do. I was going to do this dumb thing, which is 1 equals 1. Oh god, what is that? That's an infinite loop. We're never getting out of there. It's going to loop forever. That's not good. However, there is one thing we can save ourselves with. So instead of using this set Baldur choice, we can actually use what I was talking about earlier. A little fun thing called break. We can break out of this loop. It'll do the same thing, basically. Now you probably want this. You probably never want to use 1 equals 1. I'm a dummy programmer, so I do it, but you may have some other thing. And if it's really, like, you can make it really hard to break out of it. Be like, oh, there's a choice they can make that you can use to break out of this loop, and you no longer have anything. So, I'll even do, like, a message. Be like, we are stuck in a loop. Okay. Actually, I'll make it after this one. Okay, this time it'll be choice 4 that breaks it out. So now let's start and play. We'll do full screen. We'll do modding tutorials. Do normal game. Prologue birth. Okay. Pick Baldor. Nope. Can't be bothered to watch the opening. Now this time, if we pick choice 1, yippee! We are stuck in a loop! If we pick choice 2, you pick choice 2, no! We are stuck in a loop! You pick choice 3, you pick choice 3, Baldor is cool. We are stuck in a loop, so we're still stuck in the loop. However, when we pick choice 4, I miss my wife. We broke out of the loop. The break broke us out. So we're no longer in the loop. So that's another way you can break out a loop. Now, another thing. The next thing we're going to look at is continues. Continues a bit different. It returns you to the top of the conditional statement and be like, okay, what's the practical purpose of doing that? What we could use for that is we can actually do a continue here. Pretty sure that's how you spell continue, right? Yeah, continue. Okay. I don't trust myself. I hate spelling, so I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste it. Yeah, that's how you spell it. Continues are funny. Now, if we put continues on all of them except yippee, what will happen is that we'll never get to we're stuck in a loop until we press yippee. So let's go ahead and try this infinite loop here. It's an infinite loop. We can't get out of it. I'm just gonna test it. We're gonna show you. Go to modding tutorials. Normal game. Go to prologue birth. We're gonna play as our boy Baldor. Confirm, yes. Not gonna watch the opening. Then we'll have all these continue. So if we press choice 2, you pick choice 2. No. Pick choice 3. Baldor's cool. Choice 4. I miss my wife. Have you noticed that we haven't gotten that text at the bottom of our code? When we pick choice 1, yippee, we are stuck in a loop. So continues bring it all the way to the beginning of the if statement. Now there are specific reasons why you would want to do this, such as like there's dialogue you don't want to get if you pick a certain option. You're like, okay, I want this to continue in the loop, but I don't want it to pick a certain option. Like if you like let's say you were doing like rewards for a mini game or something, and you wanted to get like a really high score to get all of these like different objects and stuff. However, if you don't get a really high score, you could use a continue loop. You'd be like, oh, you get this score, you get this score, and you get this score because you got like 7,000 points, and you get all these points, but you don't have 8,000. You'd be like, oh, continue, bring it back up to the beginning of the if statement, and try it again, or something like that. So you don't get the other stuff after, the other dialogue after. Because if you get the high score, you can go through all the things, so you don't have to continue, which would bring you back to the beginning of the loop. I don't know. You probably may not find a use for it, but it is kind of cool to use. It's a niche little thingy. I'm sure if you do some advanced, like, loopage, you might use it. But okay, cool. That's loops. We're fine. We know how to do loops now. Alright, fine. I get it. I understand. You're sick of loops. Let's look at our functions a little bit. We have variables, though the variables we're really only using to like display. It'd be kind of cool if they actually did something in game, and I kind of agree. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to function event settings 2. We're actually gonna find some cool functions in here. These are functions that actually like change the game a bit. So like what I mean by that is like you can set alliances, set truces between factions, add diplomacy relations, reset enemy power, set enemy power. Race power, remove spot, add units, erase units, change master, change player. Whoa, these are really cool stuff. Set training. Yeah. We have a lot of things we can actually do in here. I actually... Like, look at this set gain. This is kind of cool, because you can set the territory's economic value. That means you can change, like, some territories give more money to the faction than other territories. And what you can do with this is actually increase the amount of money, or decrease the amount of money that a territory gives. You can do some fun events with that. Or, like, you know, that'd be cool. You can also do add money. Whoa, add money? That's kind of crazy. What are we going to do with that? We're going to make you choose how much money you get. So, okay. Let's be a little bit nicer with this loop. Let's only add, like, 2 things. At the very in between these things will be like add money, then add money. Okay, we're gonna do Baldor. Baldor. If we pick choice 1, so I want 100 money. That'll give you 100 money. The next one, let's say like I want to lose 100 money. What? Yeah. We're gonna make Baldor lose and gain money. Negative 100. Alright. Okay, cool. However, we're not really displaying how much Baldor's money, you know, how much money Baldor has. So we want to display how much money Baldor has at like a specific choice. And we're gonna get rid of this because this is annoying. Go ahead and be like, talk, Baldor, I have this amount of money. We're gonna have to get the money that Baldor has. Now, how do we do that? I mean, how do you get money? I don't know how to do that. You can actually go, I'm pretty sure, I think it's in variables, maybe. Which one's variables? This one? Yeah. You can actually look down here, I'm pretty sure. And we're gonna push a variable, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, assign the amount of money you have to a numeric variable. This is push money. So this is a cool variable. I think there are other variables as well called store. So these are more for character variables. We're not worried about that. We're gonna do pushes, because push is numerical, I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong about that. Again, don't take everything I say, like, research it on the wiki and like do some testing. But I think push Baldor. We're gonna push Baldor's money. Shoot, does the variable go first actually, or does the person? Yeah, okay, the variable goes after. We're actually gonna make a new variable called Baldor money. So this is Baldor's money. So I have. I'm gonna do the @ symbol again. You remember, or the and symbol? Sorry. We're gonna do I have money. Okay. Cool. This is cool. Let's see if this works. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna launch the game, and maybe it'll work. I haven't really thought about it too much, but I think it should work. Modding tutorials. Wowee. Gonna go to normal game. We're gonna go prologue. We're gonna go back to Baldor. My boy, man. Watch the opening? Nah. Can't be bothered. Okay, so now we're on our loop again, where we could do I want 100 money or I want to lose. I want 100 money. I have 100 money. Okay, cool. I want 100 money. I have 200 money. Whoa. I want 100 money. We have 300 money. I want 100. And okay, look. Now we can lose money too. We can lose. Can I go negative actually? I don't know if I can go negative. Oh, we can. Oh my gosh, we can go negative. So we're in debt right now. Baldor is in debt. He's crippling debt. He's gonna keep losing money. We're in that infinite loop again though, so we want to get out of this loop. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a new choice to be like, oh, I don't know, leave or something. Leave. He just leaves. It's like, nah, I don't want to get any or lose any more money. 3. We're just gonna throw a break in here. Break. Pretty sure that's how you do it, right? Yeah, break. This will break us out of that loop. It'll be fine. It's an infinite loop. We want to break out of there. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and see if it works in game and actually like gives us the money. Gives us. Where's the money, Lavowski? So we'll go back to modding tutorials. Let's see if it actually gives us the money, because I don't really trust it. I don't trust that variable. I want to see the whole cart. Oh my gosh, I can't tell. I want to see the cash, you know? I want to actually see it in my coffers, you know? I don't want to see the variable telling me it. I want to actually know it works. Let me click. Cancel. Can't be bothered. Give me money. 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 Hey, 800 money. I'm gonna leave. And if we look in the bottom right, you'll see that our money... Oh, shoot. You can't see it. Ah! Oh, no. Okay, if I stop talking, if you look right above my head, it says money. And it says 800. So we have 800 money. See? It works right there. Cool. So it did work. Neat. Let's return. Yeah, that's cool. We're adding money, but that's taking it's taking too long to make money. So I want to say double my money. Okay. Oh my gosh, we're doubling money now? That's crazy. Our money's gonna go crazy if we double our money. Yeah, that's the point. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the other thing. Now, how are we gonna double our money? How are we gonna do it? Because we're only adding it by like a set amount, right? How do we double money? Well, what we can do is we can actually push money before. We're gonna push, like, this will be like get. Oh, we can use Balder money again. That's fine, I guess. We're gonna push Balder money, and then we're gonna do something to Balder money. We're actually gonna make a new thing called. We're gonna get a function. We're gonna call it. It should be here, right? No, wait, push, add. Yeah, no, it'll be up here. Sorry about that. It'll be in variables. It'll be multiply. Yeah, mul. Which is gonna be the numerical variable by the amount. So we're gonna do mul Balder money by 2. So we're actually gonna put Balder money in here. Cool. Now, realize that Balder money is going to be reset later on again. It's going to be pushed again with Balder's current money. So Balder money right here is going to be changed. It'd be better probably to use a different variable for this, but I'm being lazy, and I know it'll be fine. I hope it'll be fine. And it should just give us double our money. So we should save, and let's open up the game. And if you also notice, we're using a variable in place of the actual, like, integer. You know, the negative 100 and 100? You can actually put variables in there too, which makes them for some very dynamic stuff. Just keep that in mind. That'd be really cool if you could use that in an event, and I would praise you. I'd be like, wow, that's actually pretty cool. I am very proud of you, man. Like, using variables, pretty neat. Okay. Prologue. Cool, let's go here. Yeah. No, let's not watch the opening. I can't be bothered. Okay, so we can... I want money. I got 100 money. I got a 200 money. Now I'm gonna double my money. Double my money. Oh, 600? That's not doubling money. That's like... 1,800. What's happening here? It's tripling our money. That's not supposed to be how it works, right? That's tripling money. I have 5,400 money. I feel like we have 5,400 money. That's weird. Why is it tripling our money? Did I do it bad? Why would it triple our money now? Hold up. Multiply numerical variables. That's really weird. Why is it tripling our money? Okay. Okay. I think I might know what it is. Wait. Actually, I don't. Why is it tripling our money? I don't know. It's tripling our money for some reason. Multiply by 2. Let's go ahead. Let's be okay. I'm gonna do some debugging. You'll see me debug. We're actually gonna see, like, we currently have how much money? Balder money. Money. At the moment. Then we'll do another message. After doubling it, we have this amount of money at the moment. So yeah, when I'm going to debug, I typically throw in like a message or like a talk or something and put the variable in and be like, okay, so we know what it is before and after we multiply it. I have no idea why it's tripling the money. So we're going to try to find out. I should know. I feel like I should know. It's probably something super obvious and I'm just missing it. But here we go. Normal game. Prologue birth. Baldur. No. So I'm gonna get double my money. Currently I have 0 at the moment. After doubling 0, we have, yeah, okay, I have 0 money. We add, and we double. Currently I have 100 at the moment. After doubling, we have 200 at the moment. Okay. I have 3. Oh! Oh, wait. I see. We're adding it. I'm a dummy. Okay, wait. We shouldn't be adding it. We should be setting it. So we should be setting money. Oh, that's why. Okay. I'm a little dumb. We need to set money, not add. Okay. Yeah, that's why. We need to set the money. Yes. Okay. Okay. It was adding the doubled money. Basically, you had money, then you doubled it, then you added it back to your current money. That was what was happening. We need to set the money if we wanted to actually double. See, debugging helps. Okay. Go to full screen. Then we go to mining tutorials. You may have been smart enough to be like, oh, that's what's happening, like right off the bat. It took me a little bit. It took me a little bit, I'll admit. Like, oh, okay, that's what's happening. It's adding it. I didn't realize it wasn't setting it. Now it should work. I have 1,000 money. Double my money. 400, 800, 1,600, 3,200. Oh my gosh, look how much money we're making. So much money. Baldur is so rich. He's just doubling that money. Let's leave. Yeah, now look how much money we have. Oh my gosh, that is like... How much is that? Like a million? 1,638,400? Wow. The Baldur doubled a lot of his money. That's pretty cool. Okay. What we're gonna do now, just as a test, I'm gonna see what happens if we double negative money. I think it should work, but I don't know that for sure. And I'm a dummy, so I need to make sure things work. Yes, confirm. No. So we want to lose money, lose money, lose money, double my money. Okay, it does work. So cool, that works. What happens if we leave with negative money? I haven't... Okay, yeah, there's negative 9,600. We're deeply in debt. Cool. Next thing I want to do is maybe like buy something with the money. That'd be cool if we could buy something, right? That makes like a real RPG, you know, like a real RPG experience. Is actually buying something with money. Capitalism, yeah. Cool. We're gonna make another choice. This will be like choice 4. I'm gonna move everything over a little bit. This will be buy, I don't know, an item. Cool. It'll buy an item. Okay. So we're gonna buy an item. What we're first gonna do is I'm gonna be like, hey, if we double Baldur's money, we actually have what I should do actually is push money again. I'm gonna push money before this. Like if Baldur money is less than let's say like 1,000 buckaroos, and just say like, oh, you don't, oh shoot, I need to actually do like a message, you don't have enough money. Or maybe just be like, maybe even like say how much money. You have this much money. You need 1,000 to buy this item. Cool, that's really cool. I also like that it, you know, explains how much money you have and how much you need, right? That's what you want. Next thing we're gonna do is another if statement. I think there's if-elses as well. We could probably use an if-else. I'm gonna make sure. Let me look for an if-else. Yeah, there is an else. You know, there's also else-if. We'll do an else, because we're not doing too complex. It'll be like else. Else. Do elses need... Elses do not need the parentheses. Or parentheses? Gosh, I can't... Are these... I forget. I don't remember. You can just do else like that. It doesn't need the little thingies. Are these parentheses? I don't remember. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Just ignore me. Else. Message. You have bought the item worth 1,000 money. And then we want to subtract the money. No, my money. So you can do set money. Or you can do, actually, we'll do add money, yeah. Because if you have it over 1,000, then you should be able to subtract. So we'll subtract money by 1,000. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just test it. We're not really buying an item at the moment, but it'd be kind of cool. We can probably make an item, or like a skill. Last technology, in the base game, they use skills, and they're kind of like items. Items in Vahrentuga is actually like a kind of different thing. They are skills that you can add, but you can buy them. I don't know. Vahrentuga, like the base Vahrentuga game, there's a shop you can buy when you're in the main campaign. Lost Technology, it doesn't use that, as far as my knowledge is concerned. I don't think it uses it. I haven't seen it. There might be a mode, I forget. I haven't explored all like the random modes and the dungeon mode. Yep. I think dungeon mode might have items, or maybe not. I forget. Okay, but we want to try to buy an item. You have 0 money. You need 1,000 to buy this item. I have 0 money. Let me get some money. Let me double my money. Double it again. Double it again. 800. Buy an item. You have 800 money. You need 1,000. Okay, so that still works. I have 800 money. I'm gonna double my money. I'm gonna buy an item. You bought an item worth 1,000 money. I have 600 money. So you see, it works. Okay, cool. Neat. So yeah, you could do like a little shop thing or little like special events and be like, oh, this thing is happening. If you have enough money, you could spend some money to do it. Otherwise, no money, or you don't do it. Yeah, you could do this for like country events. You'd be like, oh, your advisor wants you to invest into this like lucrative thing that just happened right now. You have to spend money now, and be like, oh, I have the money. Let me invest. Or oh, I don't have the money. I can't invest. Things like that. That'd be kind of cool. Or it'd be like, oh, I don't have the money, but I can borrow money from the bank or something like that. Yeah. So yeah, if you want to make cool events like that, numerical variables, right up your alley. Be really cool. Do it. Let me leave with my 600 money. Cool. Neat. Okay. That was a bit of a look into numeric variables. They are really chill, really cool. I think next tutorial we'll explore character variables. Character variables are a whole different ballgame. They are neat. You can do a lot with character variables. But otherwise, I'll see ya. Thank you for watching. I appreciate ya. Go mod some Lost Technology or a Vahrentuga game. Bye!